In Taormina there is a Corso Umberto. On the Corso Umberto there are many bars, hotels, restaurants, and church. Many tourists visited the Greek theater. The tourists in summer go to the beach with the cable car, taxi and bus. The church, the big church is a cathedral.
I like in Taormina shops in Parisi and Calzedonia.
I like eating in Taormina is in Gelatomania.
Above Taormina, there is one little church, one little town called Castelmola. In Castelmola there is one little church and few hotels, restaurants, bars. And in Castelmola there isn't a beach, museum, monuments and shops. In Castelmola a few persons and taxi.
Thank you.